Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you the Samsung C3300K, also known as Samsung Champ. Let's take a look. It was released in 2010. It has 2.4 inches resistive touchscreen with 256,000 colors. Mine is from Movistar, a network from Spain. At the left side we found the volume buttons. At the top, the micro USB port for charging it or transfer data, and the hole for jack 3.5mm for headsets or headphones. Sorry because mine is a bit broken. There is the stylus for the touchscreen, resistive touchscreen. At the right side, the lock-unlock button. At the back, we found a camera with 1.3 megapixel. Okay, let's turn it on. The phone has a dedicated micro SD card slot up to 8 GB. Has an internal memory of 30 megabytes. Really simple phone. Has 2G connectivity, quad band. Let's take a look at the main menu. We found different options: calls, contacts, music, internet connectivity, messages, gallery. It doesn't have Wi-Fi. Some applications, the camera, settings, alarms, community for Facebook or social apps, quick access to Google, radio FM, chat via Bluetooth, image editor, calendar, voice recorder, Samsung App Store, Bluetooth settings, notes, to-do things, calculator, converter, chronometer, okay, different things. First of all, I want to show you the ringtones. Please like and subscribe for more stuff like this. Now let's take a look at the message tones. Okay, in the phone you can put different settings, like when you touch it, vibration options, different keypad tones. Mine is the normal. You can quit also these tones. What more? Let's take a look at the wallpapers. This one from Movistar, Samsung. As you can see, touch resistive, so it can fail a bit. Type of the fonts, Choco Cookie. Some widgets at the main screen, some damps. Let's take a look how it looks now. The menu. Let's take a look at the camera, for example. It has 1.3 megapixel. This is my example. Okay. It can record video up to good TIFF resolution and 15 frames per second. This is my example, okay? Not bad, but only 1.3 megapixel. Different settings. Okay. Really simple phone. I don't know what to show you more about it. I talk at the start of the video. Bluetooth 2.1, WAP 2.0 for internet navigation. It has a battery of 1 ampere that gives to it more than 600 hours of standby and 12 by talking. So nothing much, I think. Comment below what do you think about the phone, please. The lock unlock button. There you have. So that's all, friends. Thanks a lot for watching my video and see you soon in my next videos. Bye bye.